If your toilet is backing up water, it probably means you've got a clogged sewer line that needs sorting out fast. So here's the deal. First, don't keep flushing or you'll just make a bigger mess. Grab a plunger and give it some serious love. Push down hard and pull up fast like you mean it. If that fails, try using a drain snake to reach deeper blockages. You can rent one from most hardware stores. Pouring hot water mixed with a bit of dish soap down the toilet might help break up grease or sludge causing the clog. Avoid harsh chemical drain cleaners since they can damage your pipes over time and won't fix big blockages. If you suspect tree roots or something serious, it's time to call a professional plumber who can inspect and clear the sewer line properly. Keep an eye on what goes down your toilet. No wipes, sanitary products, or thick toilet paper because they cause backups. Regular maintenance like using enzyme-based cleaners can help keep your sewer line flowing smoothly. One of the biggest problems when dealing with water backing up into your toilet is ignoring early warning signs like slow draining or gurgling sounds, which usually means the sewer line is partially blocked. You want to act fast before it gets worse. Another common mistake is using harsh chemical cleaners to clear the blockage. Not only do they often fail to clear the entire clog, but they can also damage your plumbing system and make things more expensive to fix. The third issue is trying to fix major sewer line blockages yourself without proper tools or experience, which can lead to pipe damage or incomplete clearing. Calling a licensed plumber is usually the safest bet for complicated clogs. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like sewer line blockages without breaking the bank. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to find real work from people who need their skills right now.